If you're trying to cash out crypto without crazy fees, peer-to-peer exchanges are still a solid option, but safety is everything. Step 1. Pick a trusted platform like Binance P2P, OKX P2P, or Bybit. Stick to the ones with strong escrow protection. Step 2. When you list your crypto for sale, make sure you enable escrow. This locks your coin until payment is confirmed. Step 3. Check the buyer's reputation. Look for high completion rates and loss of past trades. Avoid new accounts with no history. Step 4. Only accept safe payment methods you trust, like bank transfer or mobile payments in your country. Never use gift cards or sketchy apps. Step 5. Once you receive the money in your bank, double check it's cleared before releasing your crypto from escrow. Extra tip, always chat inside the exchange messaging system. If anything goes wrong, you'll have proof. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.